Ang dami. Ang dami nun, walang yan ka?
Pare-pareho lang tayo. Sana yung nasikmura mo sa ala.
Ayoko. 3, 1.
How could an angel break my heart? Hindi ko masyadong alam yung makikisabay-sabay ako sa kanya. Ikaw ang pampinali. Ikaw ang aking mentor.
Come here. Ha? Get inside. Ha?
Turuan mo mo ah. Ikaw ang magiging mentor. Ikaw. Hindi ko alam yan. May pinakikisabay-sabay lang ha. Ikaw yan. Hindi ko alam yan.
Under the sun I heard a sign from his heart. When I found out that I would die.
Bakit nag-iiyak? Ay, may ganyan.
Because the lullaby was mine. I heard a silhouette with a kiss. He gently kissed her cherry lips. I found that so hard to believe, because his kiss belonged to me. How could an angel break my heart? Why did he catch my falling star? I wish I didn't wish someone.
Naiiyak, makanta ka lang.
Baby, I wish I never fall. How could an angel break my heart?
Kasama na yun. Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Duet pa yun.
Hindi ko alam yan.
I heard his face was white as rain.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sometimes the
Takot sa kanya si Camping Nurse Kopya. Oo. Parang ano,
he gets
pinairing
a
na
picture in a frame, and on his lips he calls a name. I wonder if she makes me smile the way he used to smile at me. I hope she doesn't make him laugh, because his love belongs to me. How could an angel break my heart? Why didn't he catch my falling star? I wish I didn't wish so. Baby, I wish our love apart. How could an angel break my heart?
Kakantayin mo siya ng Carpet Nurse. Kopya niya.
Oh, my soul is crying. I'm trying to understand. Please help me. How could an angel break my heart? That'll get enough it. Wala ako. Maybe I wish our love